Want to create stunning videos in minutes without spending a dime? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use InVideo AI for free in 2024, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're making social media clips, promotional videos, or just trying to enhance your content, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to get started quickly. Let's dive in and unlock the power of AI-driven video creation. First, open your preferred browser, whether it's Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top and type InVideo AI, then hit enter and wait for the search results. Look for the official website link, which should be among the top results. When you reach the InVideo homepage, you'll see various options and features highlighted. To use InVideo's AI, you need to sign in. If you already have an account, click the Sign In button, located at the top right corner of the page. You'll be redirected to a login page where you'll enter your email address and password. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your InVideo dashboard, where you'll find all available tools and features. You should see a prompt bar where you need to select the latest AI model for video generation. InVideo frequently updates its models, so look for the selection option at the top left corner of the prompt field. Next, enable beta features to access the newest tools and functionalities that InVideo is testing. Go to the Settings menu, typically found by clicking your profile icon at the top right of the screen. In the Settings menu, locate the Beta Features option and turn it on by clicking the toggle switch. This will allow you to use the latest enhancements InVideo is working on. With Beta Features enabled, return to the main project creation page to start by entering your prompt. After entering it, click Generate Video and wait a few seconds. You will then need to make additional selections to refine your video. InVideo will usually ask for details about your target audience, the video's look and feel, and the platform where it will be published. For the audience, you can choose categories like travel enthusiasts, adventure seekers, or other demographics. For the look and feel, you can select from styles such as inspirational, bright, or clean, depending on the tone you want for your video. The platform selection might include options like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, which helps the AI format the video correctly for the chosen platform. After making all your selections, click the Continue button to generate the video. The AI will process your inputs and create a video based on your prompt and preferences. This might take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once the video is ready, it will appear on your screen, allowing you to play it and ensure it meets your expectations. For example, imagine a travel video where we skip the typical tourist spots like the Eiffel Tower and Times Square and instead explore lesser-known destinations like Slovenia, with its fairy tale Lake Bled. InVideo AI lets you customize various sections of the generated video using the prompt bar at the bottom of the screen. If you're not satisfied with a particular scene or want to add more details, you can enter a new prompt describing the desired changes. The AI will update the video accordingly, allowing you to refine it until it meets your needs. Next, let's look at the audio options. InVideo offers a feature to create a voice clone, a digital replica of your voice, which is useful if you want a personal touch with your own voiceover. To create a voice clone, click on the three lines in the top left corner, go to the Voice section, and then select Add Voice. You'll need to record a few samples of your voice. Make sure you're in a quiet environment and use a good quality microphone for clear recordings. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. Once your voice clone is ready, return to your generated video. You can now enter a prompt to replace the existing voiceover with your cloned voice. For example, if the original voiceover is generic, you can prompt the AI with "Change the voiceover to my voice clone," and it will update the video accordingly. Additionally, you can use prompts to alter other aspects of the video. For instance, if the video is in English and you want it in Spanish, you can prompt the AI with "Translate the video to Spanish," and it will generate a Spanish version. This allows you to create multilingual content effortlessly without manually translating and re-recording. You can also convert the voiceover to a female version using the prompt bar beneath the video. To further customize the video, click the Edit button, and all available clips will be displayed at the top. Simply select the clip you want to change, find a preferred alternative in the bottom section, click Replace, and then Apply Changes to save the updated video. You can also modify the script by clicking on it or selecting the add icon next to it. Similarly, you can change the background music used in the video to any track from the available library. Now let's review the pricing plans available on the InVideo website. InVideo offers various plans to cater to different needs and budgets. The free plan provides basic features, which is perfect for beginners or those wanting to test the platform. This plan allows you to create a limited number of videos each week with basic customization options. For more advanced features and higher usage limits, you can opt for one of the paid plans. The first tier is typically the Plus plan, which offers enhanced customization options, better video quality, and more storage space. This plan is suitable for small businesses or content creators needing more than the free plan provides. The next tier is usually the Max plan, which includes even more features and higher usage limits. This plan is ideal for larger businesses or professional content creators who require extensive customization, unlimited video creation, and priority support. It often includes additional features such as access to premium templates, stock footage, and music libraries. In addition to these standard plans, InVideo occasionally offers specialized plans tailored to specific industries or use cases. To find the best plan for your needs, visit the pricing page on the InVideo website. Here, you can compare the different plans and their features side by side, helping you choose the one that offers the best value. If you're unsure, you can start with the free plan and upgrade later as your needs evolve. And that's it! You now know exactly how to use InVideo AI for free in 2024 to create awesome videos with ease. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides and AI-powered tools that will make your content creation journey even smoother. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.